happy?
My teddy bear. Called Candy. Mama.
Mama.
My mommy. And the bathroom, I play with my dad, and it makes me so funny and happy. When my dad is playing, I'm going to the beach.
Does the beach make you happy?
Christmas. Ice cream. When mommy comes with me, in one granny's house, my granny is called Babagini, and next to her house is it's called Clement. Going to a dinosaur park. I like my mom. It's really happy playing. Eating. Go outside.
Happy.
Play with my brother. And my daddy hugged me. Snow. Walk and squish. Exercise. Shop. Sit. Fish.
Hi everyone, happy Thursday and welcome to the PYP Awards for this week, and thank you so much to Miss Carla for a lovely and amazing assembly. Now we will begin with our PYP Awards, so let's start with Pre-KA. We have Juan is getting a Knowledgeable Award. He enjoys challenging himself and loves to show he can complete tasks independently. He is always eager to join in class discussions and shares his answers. Amazing! We are super proud. Isa is getting a Responsible Award. She shows care in her work and she's always willing to help her friends when needed. She enjoys helping out with class duties like tidy up time. Well done, Isa, super proud. We have Basil. in PreK is getting a Knowledgeable Award. He has made a great effort this week in the live sessions. I hope PreK are having a great time doing their distance learning this week. He's very eager to join in and he answers his answers very confidently. So well done, Basil. And Ren has been working very consistently and he's taken part in all of the sessions and he's completed all of his activities accurately and on time. So well done, Ren. Now let's start. Ren has got a Principled Award. Let's start with KG1. So KG1A, we have Lean is getting a Caring Award. Lean checks that her friends are happy and enjoying their day. She's also very caring towards the learning environment and she makes sure that there's no rubbish left outside at playtime. So that's amazing. Kwasi is getting a Knowledgeable Award. He showed great knowledge about sessions in different countries during UOI and he spoke about weather, clothes we would eat and wear and different food we might eat. So well done. We have Salim in KG1B. He's been showing excellent progress in his maths. He's always ready with an answer during lessons and he works so hard at home. So well done, Salim. And Mihir is getting a Risk Taker Award. Mihir is always ready to take part in all of the activities. He has an excellent attitude towards learning and he always tries new things. Tanush in KG1C. Tanush is knowledgeable about all our phonics sounds and he can also work very independently. So he's getting a Knowledgeable Award. Ali is getting an Open-Minded Award. He always listens to others' opinions and he's open to new tasks. And you know what, Ali, every morning when he walks by me, he says good morning and he's super happy to come to school. So well done, Ali. Majid in KG1D is getting an Open-Minded Award. Majid has been open-minded and courageous by choosing different activities to do independently. And Nathan is getting a Knowledgeable Award. Nathan has showed great knowledge about seasons. He spoke about different weather and clothes we should wear for each season. Amazing, Nathan. Now we are at KG1E. Aryan is showing good listening skills during the lessons. He is following instructions and making great choices when it's tidy up time. Amazing, Aryan. And Manato is getting a Thinker Award. Manato is very creative in his ideas. He likes to share his thoughts during the lessons and always tries his best while doing his activities. Amazing. In KG1F, we have Shiv is getting an Open-Minded Award. Always happy to listen to others' opinions and never says no to trying anything new. So well done, Shiv. Vedant is getting a Well-Balanced Award. Vedant spends times at different centres in the classrooms inquiring independently with his friends. Well done, KG1. Let's move on now to KG2 PYP Awards. Now we will have our KG2 Awards. So, in KG2A, Shania is getting a Knowledgeable Award for using her phonics knowledge and applying it in her writing. Wow. And Elise is getting a Thinker Award for sharing some good ideas about what Dubai will look like in the future during their unit of inquiry. So well done. In KG2B, we have Rebal is getting a Resilient Award for true dedication, completing all of his tasks to the best of his ability. Well done, Rebel. Majid is getting a Knowledgeable Award. Majid has been knowledgeable this week using phonic sounds when writing sentences. He's trying his best to write sentences independently. I'm so proud of you, keep it up. So well done. In KG2C, we have Rewa is getting a Knowledgeable Award for being knowledgeable when learning about time. She applied her knowledge of digital and analog, o'clock and half past and even used her knowledge to help her friends. Amazing. And Yuvan is getting a Resilient Award. He's been working so hard this week and displayed excellent resilience in his reading and writing tasks. So well done, Yuvan. Keep up the good work. Mehika in KG2D is getting a Knowledgeable Award for great, amazing improvements in her reading and for remembering to use her phonic knowledge to help decode unfamiliar words. And Ved is getting a Thinker Award. Well done for always completing your tasks on time and independently. You write great sentences and you always try your best. Now let's move on to KG2E. Ahana is getting a Communicator Award for excellent presentations of her work on Toddle, especially with her reading and her storytelling. And Sheza is getting a Thinker Award for her creative ideas when making her Dubai Talking Towers characters. That sounds fun. And in KG2F, we have Bavit is getting a Caring Award for being such a lovely and caring friend to all of the students that cross his path. Wow. And Camellia is getting a Communicator Award for being an amazing communicator this week when she retold the story of Cinderella using a story map. That's amazing. Well done to all our PYP award winners. Let's give them all a huge clap. We are super proud. And this week we are looking at the thinker. So what is a thinker? So a thinker is if I am thoughtful, and a lot of you are very, very thoughtful. You're always saying good morning in the mornings and you're always being very, very kind and polite. Try to solve problems. So we have to use our brain boxes to try to solve problems. We have to try to make good decisions. So we have to listen to our teachers, follow all the rules, complete our work to the best of our ability. And we have to think about things. Think about all these great activities that you're doing in class and how we can make them even better and learn even more. And look, the last one is learn from my mistakes. So we have to make sure that if we make a mistake, that's fine, but we need to try to not make the same mistake again if we can. All right, have a great weekend all, and I will see you all on Sunday.